Hello, welcome to our ITP presentation. So we are from Group 7, Masa Consultancy. So our ITP topic is Magic Bus Live Location. Before I move on in our main presentation, I would like to introduce our team members. Me, myself, Mohammed Abu Said, working as a Chief Executive Manager. Shan Edison is our hardware designer. Musammal Japur is our apps and user interface designer. Abdul Aziz working as a financial and marketing officer. This is the presentation outline we follow throughout the presentation. So I give some introduction about the project. I discuss about the problem statement and objectives. Then I will pass my presentation to Musammal Jafar to introduce our development apps which we name Magic Bus application. And then he explained the Magic Bus database. After that, Shen Edison will explain the system hardware, what we name Magic hardware. After that, Abdulaziz will discuss about the cost analysis. At the end of the presentation, I will summarize our presentation today. Nowadays, many people uses public transportation, especially public bus in urban areas. This number of users increasing day by day, and government also encourage people to use public transportation to reduce traffic jam during office hour. Office staffs, students from universities and colleges use public bus to go their destination. So people are struggle to manage their time during office hour. The Minister of Transportation, Mr. Lee Kim-shin, addressed several issues, what he found in his visit. This news published on Borneo Post article. In this slide, I will talk about problem statement. As I mentioned in the previous slide, Transportation Minister Mr. Lee Kim-shin addressed few issues what he found in his visit in Kuching and Miri. For the first case, in his visit in Kuching, he explained the bus doesn't even show up due to the driver feels sick and there is no platform to notify the people on the bus being absent. In his visit in Miri, he found the public bus doesn't work on schedule. The bus always arrives behind the schedule to the designed bus station. So Masa Solution takes this problem as a market opportunity. Masa Solution find this as a good opportunity to collaborate with one of the public transports, especially in Samarahan area, to see how a low-cost system can be implemented to increase the efficiency of the bus management system, so that passenger can track their buses and can use their time more wisely. We conducted a survey to see public reaction in this matter. 20 bus users participated in our survey. They mentioned there is a 65% chance the bus doesn't follow the schedule. On the other hand, 50% of the students state that they forced to take other alternative like Grab and MyCar. So our project objectives is to design real-time location monitoring system by using GPS, to design a user-friendly mobile apps, to help the passengers to manage their time wisely. So now I pass my presentation to Musammal Jafar to explain our development apps, Magic Bus application.
Thank you, Abu Said, and hello everyone. Now we will jump to the development of Magic Bus Android apps. In the development Android apps, there are some features of user interface that had been developed by using Android Studio software. First, in the Magic Bus apps, there is sign up section. Sign up section is a crucial part for a new user as they need to register for a new account before they are able to access into the Magic Bus apps. For registration, a new user need to register their email and set a password for their account. The email will be saved in the Firebase database. Next, we have login section. After registration section, the user will be able to log in into the Magic Bus apps. The user need to fill in the registered email and password before they can access into the Magic Bus apps. For a new user who have not registered to Magic Bus apps, they can click onto register here for registration section. Furthermore, in the Magic Bus apps, there is world maps as a main feature in this developed Android apps. This maps is very crucial as the user will locate the current position of the bus. In the maps, there is red mark which is represent the position of the bus. As the bus move, the red mark will also move. As the development of Magic Bus apps is to detect a real-time location of the bus, hence the user will manage to get the current location of the bus through smartphone. Then, in the Magic Bus apps, it also provide a navigation bar. There are some important features that are included in this section. There are clickable section, which will open the announcement section, route section, alert section, driver section, about section, contact section, and logout. This section is designed to help the user to access this developed application in easiest way. Besides, in the Magic Bus apps, there is announcement section. The user will get the latest announcement if there is any delay during bus operation. The announcement on bus delay is very important so that the user do not have to wait for a long time. This section is also will provide a bus schedule. The details on the bus departure time is useful for the user as they can plan their journey. Next, Magic Bus apps will display the route of each bus. The bus will have their own route. That means the user can know where the bus will depart and where the bus will stop. Thus, the user can take the correct bus by knowing the route of the bus. Then, Magic Bus application also provide alert section in the application. This feature is designed to notify the user if there is any accident or incident occur. Moreover, Magic Bus application also provide bus drivers details. The details are including first, the name of the bus driver, second, number plate of the bus driver, and last one is the contact number of the driver bus. Then, in the Magic Bus apps, there is about section that will explain briefly about the mission of the company. It is important to let the user know the mission of the company so that they acknowledge the company objective and future target. Finally, in Magic Bus apps, there is contact section. If the user has any question regarding Magic Bus Android apps, the user can call or email to the given contact. Next, we will move to the Magic Bus database. This figure shows the database of authentication in Firebase website. If the user register a new account in Magic Bus apps, the details of the user's email will be saved in the database. Thus, if the user want to access into the Magic Bus apps, they need to log in by using the registered email and password. Then, this is the database for latitude and longitude that are sent by Arduino device. The GPS module will detect the latitude and longitude. Then, the Arduino device will send the data of latitude and longitude to the Firebase database. Then, the Magic Bus apps will retrieve the latitude and longitude. Both latitude and longitude is used to show to the user a real-time location of the bus in the smartphone. Now, I will pass to Shane Edison to continue the presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Sean Edison and I'm in charge for the hardware for this project. So this is the main components for our projects, which consists of the Arduino Uno, the GPS module, and the GSM modules. So why do we choose to use all these components? First of all, for Arduino, it is very accessible and it is very flexible as it consists of variety digital and analog inputs. And furthermore, it is inexpensive. And for the GPS, we're using Neo 6M. So why are we using this GPS? First of all, because it's worked very well at open space. And second, it is cheap. And next, we're using the SIM 800L. We're using this because the SIM 800L can access HTTP. It is also cheap and reliable. Next, this is the overall hardware connections. This is how we connect our hardware connections. And the LCD is used just to see is if the connection of this component is established to the network or not. So this is the main code responsible to upload data to server. As you can see, the GPS latitude and GPS longitude is the one that responsible to collect the location data. And next is the monitor output. And this is the progress, or this is the process when it is trying to connect to the database and upload the data. Okay, and that is all from me. Thank you.
Thank you to Shen for his presentation. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Aziz Malem and I will be covering the cost analysis. First and foremost, cost analysis is an important tool in any business. It helps the company identify the cost that they are willing to pay for their product and services. Next, we go into the product costing. This flowchart shows the overall process for our product costing. Masa Consultancy provides one of the best costs for its product development. This also to ensure the satisfaction for our potential clients. Furthermore, this is a good way to determine on how much that our company will charge for our product and services. For our consultation fee, we charge different rates depending on the day. Our basic consultation cost is as low as 50 ringgit per consult, 60 ringgit for the weekend and 70 ringgit on public holidays. This rate is based on per consult. For first-time customer, the consultation price is free for one time only. For our material costing, Masa Consultancy provides a flexible cost which client can choose based on their preference. Our company provides a high quality OEM for clients that are looking for lower price point. The OEM quality are quite on par with our genuine product. The table below shows our miscellaneous material product costing. The costing for software design consists of software programming and Android app and user interface development. The list below shows how the software design adds up to the total price charge. Software programming price depends on the number of sensors that are connected to the system, while Android app development cost depends on the user interface and target Android user. A higher level of Android has better features and interface and will only work on some Android versions that are compatible. Meanwhile, for lower Android version, it can work on most Android versions. Meanwhile, it has limited features. The company provides one of the best after-sales service by providing continuous support to customer service inquiry. This is aimed to provide customer satisfaction and customer retention. Furthermore, we hope a satisfied client brings more potential clients. Next, I will explain what are our after-sales service. Any component that are faulty that occur within 1 week after product is purchased will get a total free of charge component replacement. Free installation charge is rewarded to customer for the first 2 weeks from the date of purchase of the product. Meanwhile, 10 to 20 ringgit are charged after 2 weeks. To summarize our total product cost, consultation costs may vary depend on customer and days of consultation. Hardware and software development costing is depend on customer preference. Next, I will pass our presentation to Said.
In this section, I would like to summarize our presentation. To conclude our presentation, we can say that by using our apps, passenger get to know the real-time location of the bus. Passenger also show the bus route in the channel. Passenger can make early planning based on the bus location. In the identification section, passenger get to know the driver details. Passenger show the bus plate number to identify the correct bus. Passenger also notify the arrival to the nearest point. In the announcement section, passenger get notification on latest updates of the bus status. In addition, our product Magic Bus Live Location consists of additional feature. However, our company Masa Solution provide after-sales services. With this slide, we end our presentation. Thank you very much.